excited. Thank you, Creative Express. Nice color, correct color delivered. This is my favorite color. Color blue. Perfect. Here is the sample paper. 42 and yaman 25 GSM only. So let's try. Bakit nakadit malaki yun? Kaya po yun. And it's very nice. Ako nag-enjoy. Yeah, let's see. Perfect, nag-wrinkle talaga, but hindi ang kanina nagilid siguro. Pero overall, it's very nice para mga packaging products. Very ma-damage. No, it's pretty. Now, gamitan tayong tweezer. For this. So, ang gagawin ang hinin, yung basa ko dito is to get the remaining crinkle paper. But, isang din na tweezer. Kaya may makuha. Let's see, ito, inhale a white brush can be used mga magnipis na papel like 25 GSM and any sample. Okay, grab this one. It's very nice. It's very pretty. Kaya ng power sting kamot. Use the tweezers. Diri gindiligid masyado para diri diri na abot freezer. Okay. This one, pan manipis nga papel. And this one, the black one, for madakmon na papel ko na. Okay, that's all. Thank you.